Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it on the videos. In today's video, I'm going to be showing how to stop, a leaking toilet or running toilet or whatever. I don't know if you can hear the noise. I'll show you right now. You could probably hear it more there. Okay, and these are the Toto, whatever these things are called, but I ended up buying a universal. This is an all-in-one toilet repair kit. Basically comes with everything inside. But in this case, basically what's in here. Okay, there you go. You can probably see the water coming out from there. Now there is, I know, some gaskets or something in there, but I'm just gonna end up replacing this part here. So let me just see how it goes. Basically when this comes up and down. And I'm gonna basically use part of this repair kit. So the first thing you're gonna do, of course, is you're gonna turn off the water. You see how it stopped? And then you're gonna flush the toilet. And basically the water is as empty as it's going to get. So what I am gonna need is a bucket just for that excess water that's in there now. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so you can see here, I disconnected that link chain. And if you can see from the instructions, you're basically gonna remove the nut from the bottom and take this black thing out. And you can kind of see, this is what I'm talking about. That hose where it connects to. Okay, you can see there, I removed the hose. And now I gotta get this thing out. Okay, so I took all of these parts off already from this here. And I'm just gonna show you real quick. That was the seal I was talking about. You could actually replace this. I don't know if you could find it somewhere. And it'll stop that little leak. I'm just gonna replace the whole thing. I did get a large wrench or adjustable wrench because this bolt, that white one there, you can see, you're gonna have to take it off in order to remove this. Okay, so you can see here, I removed the entire part. And that little bit of water that was there, that's why you should have a bucket to let it fall into it. And then this is what you're gonna be replacing in order to stop that excess water or that little valve from keep on dumping water. You could replace the whole thing, but the other parts are good, so I'm just gonna do that. Okay, and as you can see here, these are the two parts from the new one. And you have to basically kind of get it to match the old one. So let me show you what I'm talking about so you can see. Okay, so there you go. I put the little seal there. And then the nut, the white nut, is a little bit different, but it goes there. And then you basically put this back. Of course, removing the white nut, putting that through, and then through that hole on the bottom, and then sealing it with the white nut, hand tighten only. Okay, so you can see there, I put it back, and you can see how that white nut, or whatever it's called, to tighten it up. And then basically you're gonna put the hose back, connect it to here, put it on there, and then of course put the chain back on here. Okay, so I did have to use the new hose from the new one because the other one was too fat or too big. And you basically clip it on here, and then you attach the hose, and they have those little, I guess, vice grips or whatever they're called. And I'm not sure what this thing is for, but you attach it onto the other one, and then you turn on the water. So that's all I'm going to do now, and see what the level is going to be, because I have to match it to where it was at before. Okay, so I attached the hose back, and the tank is filling up, and I'm going to see what level it is. And I have to match it to how it was before, and the way you do that is with this little thing here. You basically screw it one way or the other to adjust the level. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. I guess in this case I got lucky because the water level came back to where it was at before without having to do any adjustments. But basically on this little screw there, you would turn it to the right or left to basically lower or higher the water level to where you want it. So you can see there, no more noise. The leak is gone, so no more wasting water. So let me know what you think about the video. Like I said, give me a thumbs up, like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Robert's Video Machine. Thank you very much.